Let's check out these scissors. I do often need a little pair of scissors. Sometimes at work. Here's some normal paracord. See how these little strands do. Not too bad. Alright. That's my best pair of scissors on a multi-tool Swiss Army knife. And right off the bat, oh. Yeah, I'd about say that these might be the best little scissors I've experienced. I usually can't cut paracord for anything, it just goes like that. Not right at the end there, but it's not rubbery, it's some kind of fibery looking stuff in there. It's not string. I don't know what it is. Let's see how this stuff does. Yeah. Oh, there my spring sprung out. Seen another guy's video do that. Well, so far these are still the best scissors I've used. This is about like this stuff, but bigger. I don't even know what you call that. Oh yeah. Alright, the scissors might be the best thing so far. See if I can push this. I think I did it a minute ago, finally. That's too damn hard. So far, I don't think I can recommend this for a normal person. I'm not necessarily normal. I think I can mess with it and like it. It looks really cool. If these screws were black or something. I don't know why they did that. It's a little bit upsetting. I took the clip off. I don't think I mean, this is actually smaller than what I expected. The pliers are quite a bit smaller than what I expected. Still should be fine for me. Utility tool or multi-tool for me is, you know, it's not like I'm trying to do 8 hours worth of work with this thing or anything like that. It's just super handy to have. Small things that come up, bing bang, you do it right then and there. So I think I can make this work, but I don't think I can at the moment really recommend this to normal people. Howdy YouTubes, this will be the goat tool scissors. which is right here by the bit driver and the craft blade at the moment. So I cover the craft blade so its razor sharpness doesn't come out, and also the locking lever. So there's the scissors. The spring popped out on me one time, maybe twice, I think just once. It hasn't since then. Here's just some thin paper. Does fine with paper, of course. And I am able to push down on the bit driver to release them.